And this was our first figure. Good afternoon, viewers. I'm on my way to Witstrand for another solo expedition, but I think I've got a friend that's going to come through, and I'm nearly in Witstrand, and it's just absolute beautiful evening. And to show you guys the sunset, how beautiful is that? Yeah, I'm ready. Tonight I'm going to sleep over in my favorite camping site, Witstrand Caravan Park. They've been on one of the previous videos. Lovely place to stay over, and tomorrow morning early I'm going out. Hopefully my one friend from Nazda is going to come through, and then we can fish together. And yeah, it's just amazing. I've got a few days of leave that I needed to take, and now I can make memories again with you guys. And just amazing. Johnny will be missing out a bit, but Johnny's full into his rugby this year and also in his schoolwork. So yeah, Saturday I'm gonna go and watch Johnny. He's playing rugby, so I'm very excited for his game for Saturday. So yeah, but enjoy it with us, the journey. Hopefully we can make amazing memories and show you some nice fish. Okay guys, have an awesome day, and we'll speak soon. Okay guys, good morning. Yo, what a beautiful morning here at Witstrand. I just want to quickly check, what is the time there?
It's 5:26.
5:26. Mooi. So we've just got all our rods in. We've got 2 Oculegs out and 4 live baits. And I've got an old mate of mine from Neisner. He doesn't like the camera, but welcome Adrian. He's one of the professionals here. So yeah, it's a double anointing. So hopefully we can show you something nice. Just want to show you at the back how amazing it is here. Beautiful morning. And yeah, as I said, hopefully we can show you something nice a little bit later. Wow, super happy. And Adrian's just tuning my fish finder a little bit for me. That Garmin Striker Vivid SV 7. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'm gonna have a lekker 2 days here. Okay, we'll speak a bit later when the reels are screaming. Okay guys, so Adrian is on here on the turn of the tide, and this is Johnny's reel that he got from an old friend of mine, and this feels like a lekker fish.
Ja, nee, hy's decent. It's a good size.
This is the first decent fish on this reel.
Yeah, it's going with the anchor. Vacant anchor.
Okay.
I hope it's fine now.
Just let it go a bit.
Okay, I'll keep him tight. Hopefully we'll miss the anchor.
Wow, guys. Yes, Adrian, double anointing here. It's over.
Yeah.
Nice fish,
What size line is this?
No, that's a 30-pound braid. It's a 30-pound braid.
Remember.
But he's now the first guy. Him and Johnny's the only guys that's had something decent on this rod. But you can see they love the braid. Yo, Adrian.
Yeah.
Looks like a nice fish.
Decent size.
Yes, what a amazing Played nicely.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a nice fish. Wow, guys, look at this. Oh man, it's a beautiful, beautiful size. Oh,
And this was our first video.
I love this. I love this. Just gonna get the net here. You can stand a little bit to that side. Yo, nice fish. Eh? Very nice fish. Wow. 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 Adrian, just take a 5 here. Yes, this is a beautiful fish. Eh? Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this beautiful fish that Aaron has caught now. Aaron, this is probably about a 14, 15 kilo.
Yeah, decent size.
Yes.
Nice condition.
Yo, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. Wow. Yeah, guys, so Adrian is saving me a little bit of petrol. He's just rowing the boat around. We're not wasting petrol today.
Yeah, nice. Cheap.
So we're just turning around quickly. And
Don't want to start the engine.
we'll save the power a bit. And
Fuel price went up today, eh? 20 cents.
oh, the price for,
Yeah, so
of petrol. Oh, no. Then we must go slowly.
definitely safe.
Yeah, guys, it's an absolute beautiful morning, but you can see it's turning now more to autumn because there's a lot of like steam on the water, and that just shows you the temperature is about 19.2. It's perfect, eh?
That's perfect.
Anyway, let's just get our rods again in the water. So it's octopus leg 1. Mullet 0. Okay guys, we've just come to the end of the first session, this for the morning session. So as you guys saw, that Adrian caught that beautiful 13 kilo fish. I think it was 14 kilo. He says it's 13, but I think he didn't look like at the scale. But I've got one of those lip gripper scales, so and it's not an electronic one, so but yeah, it doesn't matter. It's a very nice fish. So Adrian, well done.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks for coming with. We've been planning this for how many years? 15 years.
I'm not normally going with other people.
Yeah. No, this is the first for you, but I'm actually happy.
Okay.
But anyway, yeah. Now we'll do the afternoon session. I'm still struggling to get on his boat, but it doesn't matter. One day it will happen. Anyway, guys, we'll see you in the afternoon session. Thanks for being with us, and thanks for watching our channel. And we really appreciate every one of you. And yeah, lekker stabiliner. Let's see you this afternoon. Hopefully get a nice big one. So guys, we're just dropping off some papers here for Uncle Dave. He's one of the legends on the river here. Been coming to the river for many days. Is Uncle Dave?
Outdoor man has arrived.
Yes. Morning, Tony. Are you well?
Yeah, what is good?
We're going out, you coming in. Lekker. Okay guys, so I just want to give Uncle Dave his papers that they're not illegal on the river, so yeah, just gonna help them quickly. So good morning guys. This is the second day here at Witsun. Adrian couldn't come out this morning, he's a bit tired, so I've got a solo mission this morning. He caught that beautiful cob yesterday of about 14 kilos, and yeah, very chuffed. You guys saw that amazing fight. Yeah, this morning I'm lying pushing tide. The time is now 5:45, and the fish is definitely coming through here. I can just show you quickly. on that Garmin SV7. Look here, it's amazing. I'm lying at a depth of 3.7 meters, and yeah, the water temperature is about 20.1 degrees, so perfect conditions. Only thing that's not too good is the barometer. It's dropped a little bit, but let us see. Maybe I can show a nice fish again, but it's going to be a challenge for me if I get on a big fish this morning, as it's always a challenge when you're alone. But patience. If I get, already had a pull on the octopus leg. I've got 3 octopus legs out, and got 3 nice mullet out. So let us see. Maybe I can hear that reel screaming like zzz. That's most the nicest sound that a man can have that loves fishing. Anyway, stay tuned, and yeah, their fish is coming through. So we'll speak in a little while. Yeah guys, so this is one of my mates from Cape Town that I met 2 years ago. It's also on the river, and it's backing up. It's on the turn of the tide now. I didn't have a successful day today, but as you guys saw, Adrian and Peter, they got a very nice fish, and the shark just took it off. But yeah, that's part of the fishing and adventure here at Witstrand. There's sharks in this river, Zambezi sharks, bull sharks as they call it, and once in a while they take off the cob. But I was fortunate on the first day, as you guys saw, that he didn't take off Adrian's fish. But tonight we're gonna have a catch and cook. We promised you last time for a catch and cook, but it didn't happen because we bride steak that I think that evening. Steak and meat, and tonight we'll definitely do a catch and cook, and just going to enjoy it the last night. I'm leaving for George again tomorrow, after David and the guys are going to clean my boat. Very nice. And yeah, what an awesome trip I had with Adrian and also Peter that I met, and hopefully I still get a last glimpse. There's a small time frame for on the turn of the tide for maybe getting a nice cob. But yeah, if I don't get a cob, we have the bride tonight. Okay guys, so as I said to you, I just met Adrian here now at the club quickly, but look at this fish that the shark took off. Yeah, Adrian, who was fighting the fish, you and Peter?
No, it was me fighting the fish, but he went under the boat.
So it was like a team, a tag
it's
team.
Always a team effort. It's always a team effort when you when this size fish take your line.
Yeah, and Peter is an old legend here at Witstrand. He's been here for 75 years now. No, a little bit shorter, but yeah.
But he's an old legend.
But look here, look at this fish, guys. Oh, so sad. Look at that amazing meat. Yeah, so that's sad, but yeah, I did not do good today, but that one,
we also didn't.
No, but I lost that one fish. Yeah, that was, I've never seen a live bait.
It must have been a big one if you look at the teeth marks on that live bait.
But it doesn't matter. Tonight we're gonna have that catch and cook, eh?
Yeah.
As I said, and yeah, enjoy it with us, guys.
Okay, thanks guys. Bye-bye.
Come on, you must clean the fish. I'm hungry. Okay, guys, so Adrian is just busy packing the fish. We've got 1 cob fillet here, and we've got 3 shads. This is going to be really delicious. We've got the garlic butter here, and then Peter's already made us a nice fire there. And as you guys know, fish is very quick. So Adrian says I must braai the fish, but I think I must let him braai. I want to see if he It's a good fish, but I want to see if it's as good as
It's
he
because
catches
you didn't
fish.
sleep since 3 o'clock this morning. That's why you don't want it.
No, I think it's going to be very nice. Yo, can't wait.
Ja, ik ga hem net hoog sit.
Okay, and then you see we start very high just for the heat to come, and then later we'll put the butter and stuff on, and also some other spices. But yeah, everyone has got his own way. Alright, you got your way, I got my way, but tonight we do it your way.
Okay, I will try my best. Let's see.
The biggest thing, you must do it with love. If you don't do it with love, it doesn't taste nice. You like it. Okay guys, so we've just turned it around now. We've sealed it on this side. Now I've got the garlic butter and everything on the side, and now we're going to just brine in the garlic butter. That's going to be very nice. Whoa, can't wait for this. Okay guys, just look at this. Oh, Adrian, please taste it. Let us just see. Just take a piece. No, you can take a piece there, like in the corner. Yeah, I'll say.
I've done a good job.
Yeah, no, I know.
You must taste.
You're the fish whisperer.
Let's
I
come.
don't know why
Come
it's
on,
going to blow
Arnold.
down the top on tonight.
Say Arnold.
Adrian, we're giving you free coverage here.
Yeah.
You know, when me and Quentin are together, you need
I've
to
got a
get
lot of
fish.
friends, eh? Got a lot of friends.
Yeah, that's other mate of ours, Blowdam. You guys must know his channel. Adrian supports him. He doesn't support the elder man.
You must
But
sponsor.
I'll swing
sponsor
him.
the
I'll
dish.
swing him.
Yeah, you can change me.
Yeah, but this is beautiful. We're gonna have a lekker meal now. Oh, guys, nothing like fresh fish. Okay, guys, I just want to tonight. Peter, he's sitting there at the head. Peter and Tanish's son, Tani Grita. Thanks for inviting us tonight for this amazing fish braai, Adrian. Thanks for this weekend, yo.
Hey, dankies.
We had a double anointing.
Thanks a lot, Arnold, for this.
We had a double anointing because on the first morning we caught that 14 kilo, and now you lost that big fish now. That fish is about between 23 and 25 kilos.
The one that the shark took.
Yeah, that the shark took. And and obviously they caught these nice.
This is an expert on shad fishing, so that's why we had this delicious fish tonight.
Yeah.
But that's a carp, huh?
Yeah, that's a carp. Yeah. But guys, enjoy it tonight, and thanks for your hospitality and for your friendship, and thank you for being such humble people. And yeah, hopefully we'll make some amazing memories when the future comes.
Thanks a lot, Arnold.
Okay guys, now we're gonna cut because we're gonna eat now.
Thanks, Arnold.
Okay guys, so I've come to the end of a very nice weekend again. Well, the week. Me and Adrian caught nice fish, and Adrian and Peter, you got very nice fish. Although the shark took that one off. But yeah, guys, thanks a lot. And Peter, thanks for last night. Yeah. Really appreciate. And Johnny, yeah, you missed out, but next time. But guys, yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Go to The Outdoor Man. We really appreciate all your support and all our sponsors. Vian, you from ETA, Warthog, Knife Sharpeners, and then last but not least, Ocean Eyewear, our sunglasses. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.